Here's how to fix TikTok following problem if you cannot follow people. First of all, go ahead and launch your TikTok application, log into your account, and then go to your profile and tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy, go to Help Center, then select Report a Problem. Select Online Reporting Form that is highlighted in blue color. Report a bug or feature request, then select Other. Enter your username, your contact email address, and then explain your issue in this box. You can also select and upload any attachment if you want. Then go ahead and tap on Submit from the bottom of the screen, and TikTok will get back to you within 24 to 48 hours and solve your problem. If not, you can go ahead and tap and hold onto the TikTok application and scroll all the way down and go to Storage. Click on Clear Cache. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. Go to Permissions and make sure that you've given all the permissions to this app. If nothing works, go ahead and uninstall this application completely from your device and reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.